Hey there, this is Marcus Jones, Platinum Executive Leader with Heart and Body Naturals. I'm making this video today for new members on our team to help new members understand the Heart and Body Naturals Incentive Plan, also known as the Pay Plan. This document is located on the hbnnaturals.com website under Opportunity, and it's also located in your back office under HBN Library. It's a 17-page document which details the Heart and Body Naturals Incentive Plan to help you understand how we get paid and how the compensation plan works. This is page 1 of 17. Today I'm going to cover the income disclosure, which details what we can and cannot say and outlines what the current projected annual income is for Heart and Body Naturals consultants. I'm going to read this word for word. Income disclosure. November 1st, 2018. The Heart and Body Naturals HBN Incentive Plan is an exciting opportunity that rewards you for referring your products and for sponsoring other participants who do the same. Although the opportunity is unlimited, individual results will vary depending on market conditions, commitment levels, and sales skills of each participant. Since HBN has recently launched, it lacks enough statistical data to prepare reliable income disclosures. The numbers here reflect estimates prepared by the company pending a more detailed survey to be conducted after its first year. Based on industry standards and company projections, the average annual gross revenue for Heart and Body Naturals is projected to be anywhere between $500 and $2,000. That right there should be the average projected income for consultants. The projected average income does not reflect the expenses associated with building an HBN business, as promotional and other miscellaneous expenses could exceed the commissions received. There will certainly be participants who will earn less while others will earn much more. We're excited about the HBN incentive plan, and we're confident it will provide a solid foundation to help you achieve your financial goals. Income projections were presented to you. If income projections were presented to you prior to your enrollment, such projections are not necessarily representative of the income, if any, that you can or will earn through your participation in the compensation plan. These income projections should not be considered as guarantees or projections of your actual earnings or profits. Success with HBN is a result of hard work, dedication, and leadership. 72% of the people who purchase Heart and Body Naturals products did so as a customer. 28% of all the purchases made from Heart and Body Naturals were made by consultants who joined to create a for-profit business. This concludes the income disclosure.